gonna get food. It's not just food. We're not gonna just eat here. We're gonna get some food, and then we're gonna place them into 3 different places. And our job is to guess. One of them is gonna be the good one, and 2 of them is gonna be the bad one. And we have to close our eyes and choose.
So it's basically like Bean Boozled.
It's like Bean Boozled, but it's just you're changing Boozled into food. I don't know what Boozled is. So let's just go and get some random food.
All right, you
In
go.
the honor, you get the food.
All right, you go.
No, you get the food. Please, just get the food.
Here.
So guys, we're gonna get the food and then we can do the challenge, okay? So yes, we're just gonna wait right here. This would be a perfect time for me to just like play my Nintendo Switch. But we're doing a video, so I can't get it out. This is work for him. Then look outside. Look, that's outside. You can see that's outside. That's really fun being outside, but since we're doing a video, we cannot go outside. So what are we gonna do? I'm just waiting here. Also, guys, don't forget to look under here, right over there. Under here, you're gonna see a red subscribe button, and make sure you press that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and don't forget the symbol that the bell thingy. I don't know what it's called. The bell. So let's just wait. Oh, I was just sleeping with my eyes open. Okay, he's here. Okay.
Let's see.
Okay. So look, guys.
This is what I got.
Hey! I saw.
All right.
I saw what you got, but I'm just gonna close my eyes for right now. I know I'm gonna take the right one.
All right. Now, don't see.
Okay, now can you hold the camera?
Okay, I'm gonna hold it.
Okay, so
You better close your eyes.
I'm gonna close your eyes for you. Okay.
So that's wait.
Stop doing that. I can close my eyes.
That's what he got. That and that. No, pick any.
Okay. I'm gonna pick this piece of bread. It feels like bread. I'm gonna eat it. That is disgusting bread.
Now you can't see it.
No, that was really disgusting.
All right. This was the good one.
That one was the good one. I don't like that, and I don't like peanuts.
No, that was the good one. Now you guess. It has to be something different out of all of these.
Uh-huh.
Okay, wait.
You see, that's when I always took a bite.
So wait, where's the?
So
Wait, we need the top for this.
oh yeah, we need the top for those peanuts. So I'll do the honor now.
Oh, it's invisible. No
Oh,
wonder.
it's like a invisible top because it's like plastic top. It's like not the glass. It's like made out of glass.
And just tape. Hi.
So he's doing the stuff.
Take the top. Take the top.
Okay.
And put this one back with us, okay? So go to
Okay, so you grab the camera.
Hi. Can't see what to order. So while he does that, yeah. If you want more Teddy, putting clothes on Teddy challenges, just ask, no wonder. Just ask for more Teddy videos if you want to. Cool. Do not hear anything, players. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. I'm gonna close my eyes.
And close your eyes. You open the door. Close your eyes.
I'm closing them.
So look what I got. I got some piece of
Wait,
magnet.
can I see what you get?
Some tape.
Wait.
I got some salad for
Alright,
the
alright,
magnet.
alright. Just
And this is for the good
here.
one. Okay, so guys, don't say.
I don't know what to do. Alright, now what? Now I go?
No, enough. Ah! I took them.
I'm looking right behind me. I'm not looking at anything.
The good one. Bad one are these two. The good one. The three. The good one. Okay. Ready?
Alright.
So I'm ready, guys. So don't open your eyes. Now choose. Choose. No, that's not one.
This one.
Okay.
Yeah, got the good one.
Okay. So let's just go and see. Now can you do the honor to get the food, please? I'm just gonna be right back. I'm just gonna be right back, okay? Right back. Just stay over here. Okay. So I'm really sorry. I was just gonna put the phone right there and I mean the camera right there, and then it fell out of the bed. And I moved this, so I'll be right back, okay guys?